this class. Last day we have discussed about one of the central tendency, that is mean, and we have discussed how to find out mean using the direct method and the assumed mean method. And one thing already I have told, that the step deviation method right now is not there in our syllabus. So you have to practice only that two methods properly. Now we are going to do one of the sum of that exercise number 14.1 I have left. So that sum I will do now, and that is actually question number 3. So let's start the question number 3. So let's start the sum. Question number 3. What has given? The mean pocket allowance has given. What is the mean pocket allowance? Just to write it first. Mean pocket allowance is rupees 80. Now the table has given daily pocket allowance in rupees, then number of children, okay, this is actually the class interval and this is actually the frequency. The class intervals are 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. And here number of children are 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5, 4. Now, first of all, you find out the class mark, which is called actually Xi. And how to find out the class mark? That is actually the middle value of the class. Already I have discussed last day. So 11 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 24 by 2, 12. 13 plus 15, 28 by 14, so increasing by 2. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now just do remember, whenever you are just finding out the value of the unknown, here you have to find out the value of the unknown mean, you have to find out the value of a. When you have to find out the value of the unknown, use the direct method only to find out the mean. Okay? So now what you will find out? We will find out Fi Xi. So these two will multiply and we will write here 7 into 12, 84, 6 into 14, 84, 9 into 16, 144, 13 into 18, 20F, 5 into 22, 4 into 24. Now you find out summation of Fi Xi. So whenever we add this all, 20F will write aside, and others all the numbers will add. 6 plus 4, 10, 14, 18, plus 4, 22. Carry 2 plus 9, 11, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, plus 4, 19, plus 8, 27, 27 plus 8, 35, carry 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 5 6 7. So 752 plus 28. Once you check the calculation properly, it is 28. And these are the numbers which we have added already. 6 plus 4 10 plus 4 14 plus 4 18 plus 4 22. Carry 2 2 plus 9 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 3 15 plus 4 19 plus 8 27 plus 8 35. Carry 3 plus 1 4 5 6 7. Okay, and summation of A5 we find out here. Summation of A5. 4 plus 5 9, 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 7 31, 31 plus 13, 44 plus F. Now the mean pocket allowance is given in question rupees 80. So we know the formula. Now mean equal to, what is the formula? Summation of A5 xi by summation of A5. And according to question, it has given this mean equal to 80. So according to question, summation of A5 xi by summation of A5, that is equal to 80. Summation of A5 xi 752 plus 28, and summation of A5 means 44 plus 7. So this is an equation now. Do the cross multiplication, and after that you solve to find out the value of M. This is your one. I think you can complete it. So whenever you have to find out the value of the unknown in mean, you just do remember, you will always apply the direct method to find out the value of the unknown. Okay? So now we move to the next exercise, because this exercise so many works have given as homework to you all, and I think all of you have already searched out what the mistake I made in the first sum, whatever I have given, and all those sum I think you have completed. So this exercise completed. Now we'll go for mode and median. Two things are left. So let's see exercise 14.2 related to mode or median, whatever it is. So move to exercise number 14.2. Our exercise number 14.2, and we have taken the first question number 1. With this sum only I will show you that how to find out the mode, because this exercise is related to mode and partly mean also is there. Now you just think mean already I have done in the first exercise, so that part again I will not repeat here. So whatever the question has asked in this exercise related to mean, that you will do yourself. Only I will show you how to find out the mode, the process, and learn the process properly. And then you have to do a lot of homework, you also know, because how much you will do, you can understand. Only I will show you how to do the process. I will show you. Very easy. Okay. So what we are going to start? Mode. Our mean completed. Now today we are going to start mode. The first question, what is given? Age in year, then given number of patients. Number of patients is actually the frequency, and this is actually the class interval. First one is 5 to 15. Then 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and then 55 to 65. And the number of patients are 6, 11, 21, 23, 40, 5. Okay? Now how to find out the mode? Before to find out the mode, you have to find out the modal class. Which one will be the modal class? Out of all those frequencies, which one having the highest frequency, regarding that the class is a modal class. Which one having the highest frequency? This one is the highest frequency, 23. So related to 23, what is here? 35 to 35. So modal class is 35 to 45. I think this much is clear. Up to this is clear. You have to check all those frequencies, and out of all those frequencies, which one is the highest? Regarding that, the class is the modal class. What is the meaning to know about the modal class? Because if you will find out the mode, whenever you will find out the mode, your answer must lie within this interval. Suppose your mode equal to, after doing the complete sum, your mode equal to 48. But 48 is not lying in this interval. So your mode, whatever you have taken out, is wrong. Modal class will help you to know my mode will lie within this interval only. So I can check my answer automatically. So out of all those frequencies, which one is the highest? Regarding that, the class is the modal class. So I have chosen the modal class here. So I understand whenever I find out the mode, the answer will lie within this interval only. Now the formula to find out the mode I will write here. Mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So now we have to write here that what is L? What is L? This is the formula to find out what is L. L is the lower limit of the modal class. L is the lower limit of modal class. So what is L? 35. Modal class how we have chosen already told. So modal class lower limit is 35. So this is actually L. Now what is f1, f0 and f2? Modal class which one? This one. Previous class frequency is f0. This one is actually f1 and the next class frequency is f2. Clear? Modal class above of this is f0. Modal class below that is f2 and modal class one is f1. Now H, what is H? H is the class wide. Class wide. How to find out? If the classes are discontinuous, then in this case we have to make the classes continuous first. Otherwise what the class wide you will get, the class wide will not get proper. Clear? Here the classes are already continuous. So I can find out the class wide easily. What is the formula to find out the class wide? Any class you take, do upper limit minus lower limit. But what I will say, which one is the modal class? Here to everywhere you can see the class interval length is same, so you will get the class wide same. But it is better to remember that modal class wide you have to take here. Because I have seen some of the problems are there wherever the class interval lengths are not always same. So in that time, students are asking that which class wide I should choose here. So do remember you have to choose modal class wide. But before to find out the class wide, you have to be very much clear about it. Your given class intervals are continuous or discontinuous. If it is continuous, no problem. If it is discontinuous, you have to make it continuous and then you have to find out the class y. So as the class y is actually the modal class y, so I should choose from modal class only 45 minus 35. So what is the answer? 10. Upper class limit minus lower class limit if I do for a particular class, I will get the class y. But do remember this class y H is actually here for the modal class. Okay? So do remember this H is the class y of the modal class. Okay? And if the classes are discontinuous, what do you have to do? You have to make the classes continuous first. So whenever we do median, we will take some sum wherever the classes are discontinuous, because median we will have to make the classes continuous. So if there be any samples here and discontinuity is here, I will show you how to make it continuous and how to do the sum. Okay? Now we will put the values. All the values you know now. A is the volume of the model class, that is 35. F1 is 23. F0 is 21. Now 2 into F1, 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21. F2 is 14. H is 10. Some of the students are asking that if F1 will come at the last of the table, then how will get F2? Or F1 will come at the first of the table, then how will get F0? Do remember these are the measures of central tendency. So this type of data always will occur at the middle of the table only. According to the middle of the table only, you will get all these things. Okay? Because these mean, median, mode are called the measures of central tendency. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 2, it will be 46 minus 35 into 10. Is coming 11 and about 20. So 11 once 11, 11 then is coming 90, 11 is 88, is coming 20, 11 once 11, then again it will come 90, just means approximately 1.82. So if we add it, it's coming 36.82 approximately. This much here. Because it has told here. Now you see what was your class interval? 35 to 45. See, your modal value is in between of this. So that means your answer is correct. The final answer I think you can write. What will be the final answer? The question given was find the mode of the data given. So already you got our answer. No final answer is there extra. One more question is also there with that to find out the mean. Okay, so mean, that one you find out yourself. I have, because mean already I have taught that how to find out. So that one you do yourself. And after completing this one, these exercises are all the sums are of similar kind. So all the sums you have to complete. Yes, there is no classes given which are discontinuous. So I will meet with you all with the discontinuous class when we will do media. Sorry. So these exercises remaining all the sum you have to complete yourself. If you are facing any problem in the doubt clearing class, you ask me. Okay. So now we will start our exercise number 14.3, that is media.